Okay, PID control level system. Right now we want to take a data. We use a node-RED. We clear the data before, and then first we need to setting the level. So kita adjust level dia 280. Okay, right now the level 283. We need to 280, so we must adjust by manual. So here, go to manual. Then we go to the software. And then another output. So this speed is already okay. No need to increment. Go here. Manual. True. Then we start. So the water will increase. Okay, stop. You can see here 219. So we return back the manual. Then we go to the auto. Before that, we adjust the level 280. Oh. Yes, 281. Yeah, 181 plus minus 1. And then we push the button start here. Before that, we open the node-RED. Okay, push button start. Then we adjust disturbance 45 degree. So you can see the level 100, the green light. So you can see here the data, time 40 seconds. Level right now 190, set point 170. So the color is green right now. And then this level PID try to maintain. So you see the okay. Air dah bertambah. Dia maintain air So dia stop. Satu data around 5 minit. 300 second. So ni pertengahan. Nanti dia akan bertukar ke ni
kuning ada dua light. Yellow in range.
Okey.
Itu below range.
Ni
In upper range.
okey, upper range. So same here. Green, upper range. Ni dalam bulat dia. Ini bila dia below. Dia below. Air akan tambah. Air akan tambah. Ni merah. Air tambah. Ada buih. Jadi hijau. Itu konsep dia. PID dia. Keadaan WAF 45 degree. So ni apa? Okay. Ni below Same thing here. Yellow in range. Below. Then the WAF will increase. Increase there. Okay. So right now 136. Okay, increase The level will increase. This is upper. And then we wait for 300 seconds. You can see here. We wait for 300 seconds. Time setting, level. This is actual level 165 and this is set point 170. So you can see there, it's always maintained. This is our leader. Okay, so right now finish. So we continue with the level 200. Okay, 80 this level, and then we continue to start, and then we make 45 degree here. Okay. That's all for the sequence data reading. Thank you.